Welcome, grade 1 students. Welcome in your science lesson. As you all know, we are in week number 20th week and we are on day 2 today, right? This is your second day of 20th week, right? Now, let's play a game. Do you all like playing games? I know that. Yes, you all love playing games? Yes, I knew that. Okay. Have you ever heard about the game like I Spy game? Yes, I will just give you hint and you are going to guess and you are going to tell me the name of that thing or name of that object, right? Okay, and the objects will be related to the different things which are here in your classroom. You can see my classroom. So the objects would be related to the things which are here in my classroom. Are you all ready to play? Yes? Great. All right. The first one. I spy with my eye something which is of white color and it's of rectangular shape. I'll repeat. I spy with my eye something which is of white color and it's of rectangular shape. What is it? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, correct. It's my whiteboard. Right, it's my whiteboard. Okay. The second one. I spy with my eyes something which is in your class and it's hard to touch. And it's hard when you touch. I spy with my eyes something which is in your class and it's hard when you touch it. Yes, your computers or your laptops. Very good. Good job. All right. Okay. I spy with my eyes something which is of white color and you write on it. Yes, it's your notebook. Wow. Great job, children. Very good. Now tell me, class, what do you see when you look in the mirror? You see yourself. You see different things. You see your face. If you want to see how you are looking, so you are going to look in the mirror and you are going to see with your eyes that how you are looking at that moment, right? All right. Now tell me something. Yeah, tell me few names of different things that you see with your eyes at home. You see your mom, very good. You see your dad, very good. You see your brothers and sisters. What else? All right, you see your teacher. You see the board, very good. You see your books, very good. You see your pencil, very good. You see the video, you watch the video which I show you, very good. You see the pictures, wow. So these are different things. These are different things that you see with your eyes. Now we are going to do a small activity. I'm going to ask you, you are to close your eyes and you are going to close it tightly. You are not going to look at anything which is there. You have to be very, very true. You don't need to lie. You have to close your eyes. You have to listen to my instructions very carefully. And then whenever I'll ask you, then you will open. And one thing more, while your eyes are closed, you have to follow my instructions. Whatever I tell you, you have to do that. Are you all ready? Yes? Okay, let's go. All right, now close your eyes very tightly. Eyes are closed? Eyes are closed? Wow, very good, class. Your eyes are closed. Don't look. Don't look. Now follow my instructions. Can you see anything? Can you see that whatever I am showing you, can you see that? No, you can't see. Why? Because your eyes are closed. Can you describe the thing which I am showing you? No, you can't because your eyes are closed. You cannot describe, you cannot see anything. Now open your eyes. Great. Now see, look at the picture which I am showing you. What is this picture about? It's a, you can say it's a picture showing the countryside, right? And what else can you see? Can you describe this picture for me, please? All right, it's a colorful picture. What else? You can see rainbow over there. Very good. What else can you see? You can see three houses. Very good. What else is there? You can see trees. You can see how beautiful this whole picture is looking. You can see greenery. You can see mountains. Very good. And you can see clouds also. Isn't it so, children? Yes, you can see different clouds as well. Wow. All right. Same way. Describe this picture now. What do you see in this picture here? Again, you see different mountains. It's a picture of countryside. You can see different mountains. You can see greenery. You can see tree. You can see flowers, right? So it's a beautiful picture. It's a beautiful scenery. If I say to describe it, you will say it's a beautiful scenery. It's a beautiful scene of a countryside. Yes. So how have you described this picture? How? By looking at it. By looking at what? By looking at the pictures and which is the organ that is involved in looking. Yes, remember your eyes? Remember when I asked you to close your eyes, were you able to see that picture? No, you were not because your eyes were closed. So if you don't have eyes, God forbid, so you are able to see anything? No. So eyes are very, very important part of your body. So this is what we are going to learn. We are going to learn about sense of sight. Sight means to see, to look at. So we are going to learn about the sense of sight. Then how does this sense of sight helps us? You have already seen you were unable to see the things when your eyes were closed. But when your eyes were open, you were able to see the picture. You were able to describe that picture. Yes? Now I'm going to show you another picture. And you are going to sort out the things in that picture. First, you are going to do the two tasks. There are two tasks which you are going to do. First is you are going to look at the picture. Then the second task is you are going to describe, you are going to sort out. You are going to sort out the objects that you see. And how you are going to sort out? You are going to sort out in different way. Like I have already drawn a table on the board. So you are going to sort out the things which looks big, the things which look small, the things which are of red color, things which are of green color, and things which are of different shapes. Okay? So are you all ready? All right, there you go. Okay, class. Can you see my picture here? All right. Now, what can you see here? All right, you can see a circle. You can see a rose. You can see burgers, two burgers, right? Then you can see a chick. You can see strawberries. You can see leaf. You can see a balloon. And you can see a yellow color triangle. Isn't it like that? Yes. All right. Now, let's sort them. First of all, what is the thing that looks big in the picture? A burger, a big burger, right? Okay. What are the small things? Again, a burger. Okay, so first tell me, is there any other thing which looks big from, yes, it's a balloon. Balloon also looks big. Okay, now comes to small. Burger I have already written. What are the things that look small? Strawberries. Strawberries look small. Okay. What else looks small? A chick. Correct. A chick looks small. All right. Is there any other thing that looks small? Looks small while you're looking at the picture. I'm not talking about actual how it looks. Okay. Now let's come to red. What are the things that are of red color? A ball. You can see a circle. Okay. Is there anything of red color? Red. Rose. Any other? A balloon. Correct. Is there any other which is of red color? Strawberry. Strawberries. Okay. Now let's come to green color. Is there anything which is of green color? Can you see any green color? Yes, a leaf. Any other thing? No. Okay. The shapes. Is there any thing which is of any shape? Triangle. Correct. Triangle. Triangle shape is there. Is there any other shape? Yes, a circle shape. A circle shape. So you see how you have sorted the things in these different categories, in these 5 categories. The big things are burger, balloon. Small things are burger, strawberries, chick. Then red things are circle, rose, balloon, strawberries. Green thing is only one, that is a leaf. And shapes are triangle and circles. So that means, class, that how do you know that these, you can see all, that you have all these things in the picture? How do you know that? Yes, by looking at the picture. Once when you look at the picture, then you will find all these things. So what helps you in looking at this picture? Your eyes. Again, your eyes. So it means your eyes are so important. It is a very, very important part of your body. So if you are with your eyes, you have easily sorted these things in different categories. If your eyes were closed, or God forbid, if someone is blind, will he or she be able to sort the things? No. So you all should be thankful to Allah. You all should pay big, big thank to Allah for giving you all these things, for giving you all these precious things which are so important in your life. Think about the people who don't have eyes. How do they feel? They are unable to see this beautiful world created by Allah. They are unable to see their loved ones. They are unable to do different things, right? So you all should be thankful to Allah for giving you these precious eyes, for giving you all these precious parts of your body. Your hands are all okay. Your eyes are fine, working fine. Everything, your ears are working fine. Everything in your body is working fine. This is all because of Allah. So you all should be thankful to Him. Yes? Alright, now let's come for the class task. Your class task is that you are going to copy down the same list which I have written. Okay? Now you are going to write down the heading sense of sight. Then you are going to sort out the things big, small and all that. It means that you can see easily these things. You can differentiate in them. You can differentiate the big thing, the small thing, the thing which is of red color, of green color. You can differentiate them. Yes or no? Okay. So since it's writing, you need to copy down from my board. It's going to take time. So I'm going to give you 15 minutes for this task. All right, class? And your time starts now. All right, time is up. Just open up your book and your notebook and show me your work, that whether you have written it or not. Very good, Neha. Very good, Amir, Alia. Good job. Great. I'm so happy. So it means that one another sense of ours is complete today. And which sense is that? That is sense of sight. And how many senses do we have? Remember that? Yes, we have 5 senses, and we have covered sense of sight today. And in that previous day we did, so only one sense is left, and that we are going to do tomorrow, inshallah. All right, class. So I hope you must have learned something in this lesson and must have enjoyed it. Yes. See you. Do your homework, which I'll be posting on portal. Okay. And don't forget to watch the videos again. All right, class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.